Are you looking for the best PC cases? Top 5 picks for gamers, builders, and creators? In recent years, the demand for high-quality PC cases has surged as both gamers and creative professionals look for optimal performance, airflow, and style. A well-designed PC case not only protects your components, but also enhances aesthetics and thermal efficiency. In this guide, we evaluate the best PC cases based on airflow design, build quality, layout compatibility, cooling support.
Product number 1. The Lian Li O11 Vision Compact White Steel Tempered Glass ATX Mid-Tower 011 VPW. The Lian Li O11 Vision Compact is a standout case for those who prioritize aesthetics without compromising on functionality. With a unique triple tempered glass design, front, side, and top, this case offers a panoramic view of your build. It supports the latest back connect motherboards, enabling a cleaner and more organized internal layout. The white steel frame exudes premium quality, while the modular interior allows for versatile cooling setups, including custom loops and multiple radiators. Despite its compact mid-tower form, it supports full-sized ATX boards and GPUs up to 426mm. Cable management is excellent, and airflow is unhindered, thanks to the spacious interior and mesh bottom panel. It's a perfect choice for gamers and PC enthusiasts who want.
Product number 2. Sama NEVIEW 4503 Mid-Tower PC Case, Dual Glass and 420mm ARGB fans. If you're after a budget-friendly case packed with premium features, the Sama NEVIEW 4503 delivers outstanding value. This mid-tower chassis includes dual tempered glass side and front panels, allowing RGB lighting to shine through brilliantly. It comes pre-installed with 420mm ARGB fans, offering both vibrant visuals and strong cooling out of the box. The airflow design is enhanced by top and bottom ventilation support, while the interior accommodates ATX, micro ATX, and mini ITX motherboards. The cable management options are surprisingly good for this price point, and it even includes a PSU shroud for a cleaner build look. Overall, it's a smart pick for budget-conscious gamers who want a flashy yet functional case with minimal setup requirements.
Product number 3. NZXT H6 Flow RGB Mid-Tower Case, Panoramic Glass, and Excellent Airflow. NZXT continues to impress with the H6 Flow RGB, a mid-tower case that expertly balances form and function. Its defining feature is the panoramic corner glass panel, providing an uninterrupted view of your build from multiple angles. The case includes 3 pre-installed RGB fans with excellent airflow characteristics, ensuring your system stays cool during intensive gaming or rendering sessions. The dual-chamber layout helps isolate heat-generating components and improves cable routing. Supporting ATX, MATX, and ITX motherboards, the H6 Flow also accommodates GPUs up to 365mm and 360mm radiators. The build quality is top-notch with a clean, modern aesthetic. This case is perfect for those seeking style, cooling efficiency, and NZXT's signature ease of use.
Product number 4. NZXT H5 Flow 2024, Compact ATX Mid-Tower for high airflow gaming builds. For those seeking a high-performance compact ATX case, the updated NZXT H5 Flow 2024 hits the mark. It includes 2 120mm fans, 1 front intake, and 1 angled bottom fan that maximize airflow directly toward your GPU and CPU. The minimalist steel design with perforated front and top panels ensures superior ventilation while keeping dust levels low. It supports 360mm radiators at the front and accommodates GPUs up to 365mm, making it compatible with most high-end components. The updated layout improves ease of installation and cable management, even in its smaller form factor. If you're aiming for a powerful but compact PC build focused on thermal efficiency, the H5 Flow 2024 is a dependable and sleek option that doesn't compromise on performance.
Product number 5. Aqua 3 Micro ATX Case Budget-Friendly Panoramic ARGB MATX option. The Aqua 3 Micro ATX case is an ideal choice for first-time builders or anyone on a tight budget who still wants visual flair. This compact MATX case features 3 pre-installed 120mm ARGB fans and a panoramic front and side glass design, making it perfect for showcasing your build. It supports micro ATX and mini ITX motherboards, along with full-size GPUs up to 330mm. The internal layout is simple but effective, with decent airflow and room for a 240mm radiator in the front. While it lacks some of the premium touches of pricier models, the build quality is solid for the price. If you're building a small form-factor gaming PC or RGB-centric setup on a budget, the Aqua 3 delivers impressive